In the first bulletin, we describe what domestic violence is. In the second bulletin, we explain ways to get help. In this, the third bulletin, we will discuss typical ways the abuser abuses and the cycle of domestic violence. Violence and abusive behavior is a deliberate choice made by an abuser to control a victim. Abusers may use the following to exert their power. Abusers need to feel in charge of their relationship and expect compliance. Abusers may degrade or belittle you, causing you to feel worthlessness, powerless, and alone. An abuser may also make you feel that you are crazy or unstable. You are imagining things. It is not real abuse. Abusers will increase dependence by cutting you off from the outside world and limiting or cutting off your contact with others. Sometimes abusers will also isolate you financially. Typically, the abuser will tell you to leave your job as they will care for you. Abusers commonly use threats to scar you and to keep you from leaving or seeking help. Abusers may use threatening looks or gestures or smash things to show that they are capable of violently acting out. Abusers are good at making excuses and blaming others for their abusive behavior. Understanding the cycle of violence can help to break it. The cycle of violence is made up of 4 phases. Some stress, for example, jobs, money, bills, or psychological or relationship issues begins this part of the cycle. The stress causes the abuser to feel powerless. The abuser chooses to act out towards a spouse or partner through name-calling, insults, and accusations. As tension builds, the victim tries to calm the abuser and anticipate his or her every need. Soon the tension becomes unbearable. The tension that builds up leads to severe verbal abuse, violent, physical, or sexual attacks. It may happen once or again and again. The abuse is always intentional and never an accident. The motivation for any type of abuse is to hurt, humiliate, or have power and control over an individual in order to make the abuser feel better. In this phase, the abuser will attempt to explain away the abuse, or that the abuse wasn't that bad, or that it was justified. Justifying abusive behavior is used to turn blame away from the abuser and again makes the abuser feel better. Usually the abuser will blame the victim as being the cause of the abuse. The abuser often succeeds in making the victim believe that the abuse is the victim's fault. In this phase, both partners may try to make the relationship continue in a normal way by pretending that everything is alright. However, the cycle of abuse may continue if the problem the abuser is experiencing or issues in the relationship are not addressed. It is important to note that the cycle of violence always becomes worse the longer the cycle of abuse continues. Verbal abuse may become physical abuse. A slap turns into a fist being used. Those that are caught up in the cycle of abuse do not necessarily understand what is happening. Times of violence and abuse are often interspersed with times of relative calm and brief happiness. The variation between violence and peace within the cycle can confuse victims and often prevents them from seeking help, as they hope by changing their behavior, they can stop the cycle of violence. Unfortunately, this does not work. By not seeking help, those caught up in the cycle merely assure that the cycle will continue and worsen over time. In this bulletin, we discuss the cycle of violence. Sometimes these behaviors present themselves gradually, over time, and sometimes are hard to recognize as abuse. If you recognize yourself or someone you know in this situation, reach out. There is help available. Stay tuned on our bonus broadcast on frequently asked questions regarding domestic violence.